Hello, good morning, namaskar, suprabhat. Today I am going to discuss about some unique rubrics from Synoptic Key. Interpretation of unique rubrics from Synoptic Key because I feel in daily practice few homeopathic practitioners use this repertory. This is very important because this repertory has less number of rubric and practical rubric which is used in daily practice. So we see one by one. Bunion, bony bump that forms on the point at the base of the big toe is called bunion. Celibacy, the state of abstaining, means bachna, abstain, evade, escape, elude, flinch, sidestep. This rubric show meaning of the state of abstaining from marriage and sexual relation. Coma vigil, a state of coma in which the patient lies unconscious but his eyes are open. Contortions, a twisted or bent condition, state or form. Daybreak, the time in the morning when the daylight first appears, that is, time of Suryodaya or sunrise. Dwindling, gradually diminishing in size. Gradually diminishing in size, called dwindling, is generally pathological conditions. Faltering, losing strength or movement. Gluttony, habitual greed or excess in eating. Gracile, a cylinder build या cylindrical appearance, may be whole body or any part. Grip, a old-fashioned term for influenza. Gullet, gullet is the passage by which food passes from the mouth to the stomach, that is, esophagus. In certain conditions, patient feels absence of gullet. Hygroma, a swelling in the soft tissue that occurs over a joint, usually caused by repeated injury. In step ulcer, foot ulcer, ischia antica, sciatica, leptitude, soreness or blearedness of the eyes. Malice or malice, desire to harm someone. Malingering, penetrate, malingering, pretend to be ill in order to escape duty or work. Milk crust, chronic scaly rashes on the face or hairy head. Mishapen, not having normal, natural shape or forms. That is, mishapen. Obtuse, annoyingly, annoyingly insensitive or slow to understand. But this term also used in orthopedic. Plaintive, sounding sad and mournful. Prime feeling, prime feeling or showing disapproval of anything regarding as improper. Praying, excessively interested in a person's private affairs to inquiry. Rent asunder, rent asunder, it is violently separated into two or more parts of pieces, more parts or pieces. Rivet, a short metal pin or bolt. Scintillation, a flash or a sparkle of light. A flash or a sparkle of light. Scorched, burned by flames or heat. Sly, showing a cunning and deceitful nature. Soppy, self-indulgently sentimental. Sauerkraut, finally cut raw cabbage. Finally, finally cut raw cabbage. Squirms, twist the body from side to side. Subsultus, a starting, twisting or convulsing. Tartar is a hard calcified deposit that form and coat the teeth and gums, which forms the soft place for growth of bacteria. Temptus, characterized by a strong and turbulent or conflicting emotions. Twinges, a sudden sharp localized pain. Tushy, untidy looking. Uncut, uncut, lacking good manners or grace. Undulation, the action of moving smoothly up and down. Umbling, move or cause to move unsteadily from side to side. Wrinkle, twist or turn with writhing movement. So, meaning or rubric used in repertory depends in our daily practice on the basis of collection of data, conversion of patient language in English language, then it converted into rubric with the help of language of materia medica. So it whole and completely depends upon the symptoms explained or narrated by the patient or observed by the physician himself. If any discrepancy appears in this process, result will be towards failure. Unique, so conclusion is unique rubric are a rare rubric and helps in easy repertorization by knowing its meaning.